In today's video, I'm going to teach you beginning Notion. If you're brand new to Notion, think of it as your all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, projects, and collaboration. Before we dive in, it helps to understand a few core ideas. Your workspace is your central hub, and the sidebar on the left is where you'll jump between pages and sections. Pages are your blank canvases. You can nest pages inside other pages, so it's easy to group related content. Everything you put on a page is a block: text, images, lists, checkboxes, even videos, and you can rearrange blocks by dragging them. Finally, databases are structured collections that can show your information in different views, like tables, calendars, boards, galleries, or lists. To get started, sign up for a free account on the Notion website. That gets you into your workspace so you can begin experimenting right away. Next, get comfortable with blocks. Notion becomes powerful once you know a few quick shortcuts. Type a number sign followed by a space to create a heading, which is great for structuring sections. Type an asterisk, a dash, or a plus followed by a space to start a bulleted list. Type square brackets like this, bracket, bracket, to drop in a to-do checkbox for simple task tracking. Type a greater than symbol followed by a space to create a toggle style block you can expand and collapse to hide details. If you forget a shortcut, press slash and start typing the block you want. You'll see a list of options. Now, create a simple page to capture your thoughts or track a basic to-do list. Give it a clear title, add a few headings, and mix in text, checklists, and images as needed. You can create subpages inside this page to keep things organized as your content grows. When you're ready for a head start, explore templates. The template gallery includes project trackers, knowledge bases, and personal organizers you can duplicate into your workspace. Use a template as a starting point, then customize the headings, properties, and layout to match how you work. Once you're comfortable with pages and blocks, try a database for more structure. Add properties like due dates or status, and switch views to see the same data in different ways. For example, use a table to enter details, then flip to a calendar to visualize deadlines, or a board to group by status. Finally, collaborate by sharing pages with others. Adjust permissions so people can view, comment, or edit, and work together in real time. For deeper learning, check out the Notion Help Center and Notion Academy for comprehensive guides and tutorials at all skill levels.